Welcome everyone. Today I'm doing another video diary. So I haven't done one in a long time, since January, I'm pretty sure. I'm at Quakers Hill today. I'm going down the south coast to go film the Kiama picnic train, which will be running. I think the loco is 59:17, so time now is 07:11 and a very warm 1 degree outside. So it is pretty cold. So, I'm catching the 07:15 to Central, and then on the Hornsey via Gordon from Schofields. Get off at Redfern, go to Bulli, Corrimal, and the Lysaints is hopefully the stops, and the steam train at Corrimal. So I'll see you guys when the train arrives. So yeah, we'll see how this trip goes. There should be 3 other people coming, but I'm not sure if they will actually come or not. The Waratah approaching the 07:15 train, Hornsey via Gordon, Marion, Blackdown, Seven Hills, Toongabbie, Pendle Hill, Waterville, Westmead, Parramatta, Harris Park, Granville, Lidcombe, Stratford, Burwood, Redfern, Central, then all on to Hornsey via Gordon. A8 is the newest Waratah to enter service.
First stop, Marion, then Blacktown, then all stations to Parramatta, then Harris Park, Granville, Lidcombe.
So I'll see you guys arriving into Redfern, probably. It's nice and warm. Arriving into Redfern platform number 3. Saw 59:17 preparing to run down to Kiama, so I'm not sure when that'll actually pass. Hopefully while I'm at it. I'm going to head straight to the underground, so I probably won't be able to get it. I'll see you guys on the underground platform. Redfern Underground. We should have an Oscar very shortly. Arriving for what I'm guessing is a Bondi Junction service off of Kiama or Wollongong. H30 is the front half, I think. Is the front half. Yep, front half, 8:30. H7 maybe is the rear half. H30 and H7 I think is the rear half. Departing Bondi Junction service, Central Town Hall Marketplace, King's Cross exit Bondi Junction. Correct, H7. Another Bondi Junction service. Probably from Cronulla. And get ready. P46. Front half now departing platform number 11 on to Bondi Junction. Central Town Hall, Marketplace, and Cross exit Bondi Junction. The rear half of this train is T54. Service approaching platform 12. Sydenham, Walleye Creek, Rockdale, Cogra, Hurstville, Penshurst, Mortdale, and all to Cronulla. I'm not too sure if it stops at Como only. If it does, it'll be Oatley, Como, Janelli, Sutherland, then all to Cronulla. T19 front half. There you go, it just stops. 219 now departing, platform number 12. Apologise for the finger in the way. Next stop is Sydenham. T104, the rear XG4, I think. I'm probably wrong. T set departing to the left, T34 front half. On Oscar should be arriving to the left, Kiama service. Stopping T31 to the left. This train will be stopping at Walleye Creek first of all. Sutherland, then all station, Waterfall, Helensburg to the Rule, Wollongong, all to Kiama. 840 was the front half. And this is my train to the Rule. Hopefully my train's still there as we're running about 8 minutes late due to emergency track work at Kaboom. And thank God it's still there. H38. So going to run down the platform now. And here's H38. Port Kembla service. And we made it. So it's arriving now into Bulli. So yeah, see you guys. I'm here at Coromel now. I didn't film arriving because let's just say the platform was full of very interesting people. Right here we've got two wombats all running away. So this is hopefully where we'll get the steam train, hopefully. So yeah, I'll see you guys when train, I don't know when I'll probably see, I'll film next time whenever. Yes, our train from Thirroul to Port Kembla, which was going to take us to Lysanes, got cancelled. So now we are probably going to go to Kembla Grange. Our train from Thirroul to Port Kembla was cancelled, which was going to be our train to Lysanes. So we're now heading off to Kembla Grange Race Course. Yeah. Yeah, we do, yeah. So, yeah, so we're probably going to go to Kembla Grange. And we'll see. Approaching now into Kembla Grange.
Hey guys, TG Buckman here. I'm here at Kembla Grange Race Course doing part 2 here. Thought for something different, I might start off on the train. Choo-choo.
So yeah, we're at Kembla Grange now, and then we'll double back Coniston Lysanes home, hopefully.
Hopefully. This car there.
We got knob number 1, knob number 2, and we're at Kembla Grange Race Course.
You're not recording. It's quite easy to see.
I know. And we're here at Kembla Grange, waiting for the trains.
What a great case.
We're kind of just mucking around now because we're really, really bored.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Oh, you actually are recording. Subscribe to me.
No. And the funny thing is, even if you're watching this, we're not sorry. Now coming into the very shiny Coniston. We're going to now off to Lysanes. Lysanes, ha ha ha. For some reason we're heading in really slowly. really slowly. There we go. And alright.
How did this be all needed?
And I'll see you guys on the other platform. And the Oscars are now departing platform number 1 for a central. Oh, what terrible lighting. Huh. Welcome everyone to the deserted wasteland of Lysutz. We've got Wombat right there.
Yay!
We've got a very outback looking country town shelter and a Declan.
What, so I don't get a name but he does?
Yeah. Then we got a footbridge. This bin, oh no, this platform does have a bin. Never mind. Big massive ass warehouse, which sounds like there's a dragon getting fought inside there. And then, yeah, so platform 1 obviously Thirroul, Waterfall, Wollongong, Mortdale,
They do get a
Bondi Junction, Martin Place services. Platform number 2 is for Port Kembla only. Over there, if you can just see in the distance, is PB free and just a random steel line and a bunch of other random crap. So yeah, fantastic. Stanwell Park. We're on the train now to Central, to Redfern, sorry. Didn't film Wollongong because I kind of forgot, but whatever. So we left Lysutz, train was 6 minutes late, and now we're on our way to Redfern. And that guy looks like a woman. We're now arriving at Redfern Underground.
Yes, they the original Tangara.
And the Zangara probably going to Cronulla.
That isn't it.
So I'll see you guys up on the above ground platform. Canberra, passing through Redfern. And ex-Griffith maybe as well. Yep, there you go. Redfern. Next stop is Burwood on our Richmond service. So yeah, I'll see you.
Oh, Dylan, he's sorry that he snapped it.
There we go. Yeah, I'll see you guys when you're over Quakers. I'm just going to wrap this up here. I didn't wrap it up because the train was pretty busy home. So anyway, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.